Hello and welcome to Module 12 for ED 584. And as we get into this module is scheduled for April 11th through the 17th. So we're getting to the middle of the month of April, which means that we're not too far away from getting into May and the end of the semester. So a couple things to be aware of. First off, please go into your grades, look at your points, look at assignments, look at what you've been what you've earned, what's been posted. Make sure all that is correct. If there's any problems, let me know. We'll get it fixed. But just go in to double check on your points and the assignments that you've submitted. The other thing is we get into early May. That's when we'll have you give your presentations on your final project paper. I will let you know. I'll be providing more information as the format as we get here into the middle and then toward the end of April. And what I'm going to do is also provide several dates and times in which you can give your presentation. Certainly understand we all have work, we all have families, we all have school responsibilities. And I certainly understand that one specific time may not work for everyone. So we'll get that information to you, get it out to you, and you'll be able to decide which date you want to give your presentation. So let's go ahead and let's get into this module. So here is module 12. The photo I'm sharing, I took it around Easter back in 2020. It's of the Jordan craters near Jordan Valley, and you can see the mountains in the background. This is in southeastern Oregon, the high desert of that part, very desolate part of the state of Oregon, very desolate part of our country. And this is Jordan craters near Jordan Valley. So let's go ahead and get into the module. This module addresses linear regression, most specifically being focused on simple linear regression, but there will also be introduction to multiple linear regression. Now, if you go to the advanced quantitative methods course, which we offer in the fall, Dr. Dixon teaches that course, you'll get into more into the multiple linear regression methods and statistical analysis. Linear regression is a statistical procedure used to determine the equation of a regression line to a set of data points. The regression equation can then be used to predict values of one factor, given known values of a second factor in a population. Linear regression can be used to describe and analyze any number of factors. The primary focus of this module is to examine the relationship between the two factors, simple linear regression. And in a simplest version, the simple answer to what is regression, what is linear regression, what is multiple regression, it allows us to run statistics so that then we can describe how the effect of an independent variable on changes in the dependent variable, in the changes in the dependent variable. So you're looking at an independent variable and how it affects the variance. Let me add that, the variance of the dependent variable. And again, we're going to go into simple linear regression, a little bit of multiple linear regression, and then if you take Dr. Dixon's advanced quantitative, you'll go into more multiple regression. So here are the objectives, and then going into the activities. The readings from the statistics for the behavioral sciences is chapter 16 on linear and multiple regression, and have the supporting PowerPoint slideshow. And let's click on this. We'll go in here. And we'll get, here it is. Here is the supplemental PowerPoint. 12. And then we'll have two PowerPoints, or not, excuse me, not PowerPoints, but YouTube videos. The first one is the introduction to simple linear regression. Click on that.
Let's look at an introduction to
And
simple
that will
linear
come up.
Regression analysis explode.
And then there is a YouTube on multiple linear regression.
Hello, my friends. We're going to
So
continue our
you'll have
discussion
both of
of linear
those. Let's
regression.
get back. And then you'll be able to post your reflective commentary. And mine's already in here. So looking ahead as we move into the next chapter, chapter 17, we're going to be moving away from what is called parametric procedures into non-parametric procedures. And so you can go ahead, if you'd like to work ahead, go into chapter 17 from the statistics for the behavioral sciences. That concludes this module. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know, and I'll talk to you later.